Hey guys, we are back with some more Carolina GM mode, and we're here at the year 3 draft, I think it is. Year 4, I don't know. We just got done with year 3, though, so I guess it would be the year 3 draft. I guess it depends on how you look at it. But I think we're going to be starting the rebuild now before it gets too bad, because Stahl is getting up there in age. He's going to be 33 next year, so I prefer to get all the older guys out now. We're going to keep Okposo, and we're going to keep like guys who still have potential, but guys like well, let me see. So I was thinking Trey Stahl, Sakara, Purcell, and maybe Blake Como, Winnick if he has value. So there's a lot of guys we can trade here at the draft. So let's see what we get. We get the 4th overall pick. So Colorado, LA, and Vancouver are before us. St. Louis and Chicago are calling. Purcell and 3rd for 2 seconds. I'm just gonna reject that for now, just in case I want to make a better trade. So Stahl 2 firsts. Chicago 21st. No, again, I'm gonna see if I can get a better deal for Eric Stahl. Okay, so oh man, who is the first pick? Colorado? I think so. Yeah. Alright, so they want to get rid of their first, but they don't want Stahl. What is something they do want? Maybe I could give him Winnick or Como. Yeah, I think Como would fit that quite nicely. Wait, what's his contract like? Okay, just want to make sure I can trade him away. Is that overpaying? Like with Eric Stahl? I don't think so. We're getting, I don't know, maybe we can get like a 3rd for Como. But I don't want a chance. Because I'll try it anyway. Yeah, oh, man. Okay, I have one more try to get that 1st overall pick. So Stahl. Should we trade Purcell too? No, that's way too overextending. Como. And I'll just throw in 7th, 6th, and a 5th. Hopefully they accept. Yes. Okay. So we got rid of Eric Stahl, but for good reason. So here we go. 1st overall draft pick. Pavel Karnakov. I don't even know. Sniper from that looks like, what flag is that? I don't even know. Kale Fleury is a defenseman there. Did we scout any goalies? No, we didn't. You know what? We're in need of a scorer, so let's go after this guy. And then our 4th overall pick. Ooh, playmaker. Go along good with a sniper. But let's see, did we well, there's still 1 goalie. There's 1 defenseman there, but you know what? Let's go for the playmaker there. That'll be a nasty potential 1st line. So, yep, Eric Stahl is now in Colorado with Blake Como. St. Louis. Let's see, Purcell, 2/3 for a first and a second. Maybe. Would they be willing to put that second up to this year? And then maybe we give them a fourth. Alright. That's nice. So we got rid of Purcell now. Really freeing up the space here. So let's check out this guy. Ooh, 4.5 gold star for Karnakov. He looks filthy. So hold on. This guy also a 72. Yeah, we got a nasty little combination. Hopefully they both turn out to be studs. So is there anyone else we need to trade, or that I wanted to trade? Won't get much value for Winnick. Yeah, I think we're done trading. Alright, so here's our second rounder, I believe. Let's go for... that's a guaranteed 4-star, so... he could be a nice little complementary forward to the other two that we drafted. Get a nice line going there. It's a big guy right there, 6'4", 220. Only problem is that, you know, it's not really accurate. So we're gonna go with another forward here. Oh. So we got our forwards now. Let's try for. You know what? Well, no. We need a defenseman. We've drafted too many forwards already. Let's go for a big guy. This guy, 6'5", 195 pounds. Okay, so I'm just gonna check the prospects we have so far. Let's check the contracts. Okay. Wait a sec. Who did I draft? This guy. Hold up. Do they even show up until later? Did I draft this guy? No. I might have drafted him before, but I'm talking about this year. Whatever. We'll do it after. Our third round pick's pretty late. Let's try for another defenseman. Yeah, Lawson. He looks familiar. Apparently we didn't have a 4th round pick. I don't think we have anything else. So yeah, let's just auto draft now, because we didn't have anything past round 3, I don't think. So, alright. Oh, no. Okay, so resign. I think we'll play our top draft picks in the preseason. That'll be pretty cool. So now our best players are Pozo, Sekera, and oh man, I wanted to trade Sekera. Whatever. At least we still have a solid defensive core, and plus we can probably trade Sekera over the trade deadline for this upcoming season. He'll probably be like a rental player, just to see how we do. Okay, so Topping is a 4-star forward. He's not as good as our top 2 picks, obviously, but it'll do. And then this guy, 6'5". So hopefully both these guys can make the NHL. Valentini we need to sign. So obviously these two gonna be studs. I'm hoping playmaker and sniper, number 9 and number 9. Okay, they're both number 9. Gonna have to change that. So let's just get started with the guys who we don't need. So McClement, don't need you. Don't need you. Erik Karlsson, not the good one. Don't need you. Riley Nash, Valentini, just looking for guys who we don't need. Okay, now let's go for defenseman. We don't need Potter. Michael Jordan. Doug Blaisdell. He's getting up there in age. We'll just get rid of anyone who's 25 because make some space for the youngins. Spencer, there you go. Brandon Carlo, there you go. And we'll sign you as well. You probably won't play though. And we'll sign Lawson. He can wait. He's a 59 overall. He's definitely not going to play. Forwards. Okay, so let's... Wait. When does Simmons' contract expire? This year or next year? Okay, good. I can't afford him anymore. I just can't. Let's get him for 2 years. That's nice for Riley Nash. Patrick Brown. I don't think we need him. Brock McGinn. There you go. Hebig. There you go. These guys are definitely ready for the NHL, or not NHL, but AHL. They should be getting like first line minutes. Both of these guys. I'm going to make sure they play together. They could be a potential first line. Long Costello, Vince Strom. Oh, jeez. Gonna be a nice AHL lineup. Sign Topping. Hilton can wait. Valentini, he's probably gonna play like third or fourth line minutes, but we'll sign him. Green, he can wait. And I think that's it. Actually, goalies. How did Fast do for us? We'll get rid of him. We don't need him. And we'll sign this guy just for now as a backup. But he probably won't be our backup unless he gets a jump. We do need to trade Cam Ward as well. He's getting up there in age, so he's probably another. He's probably a trade next draft sort of thing. Yeah, he's still on a long contract, so. Alright. So now let's simulate one day, and we should get everyone who we wanted. So, and there you go. Got everyone on board. And now we'll just double check, make sure we have everyone. And there's no point in buying out Alexander Semin now, so because he's got 1 year left on his contract. I mean, so let's check just to be sure. Forwards, defensemen, good. And now while we're here, let's check our roster, see what we need in free agency. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so we need 4 forwards unless Victor Rask jumps. But I'm not going to bank on that, so we'll get like 3 forwards in free agency. We have tons of money to spend as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not counting on these 2 to jump, although I hope Fleury does. So we'll get 1 defenseman, 3 forwards, and this guy might pass for a backup, so we don't need another goalie. So 3 forwards and 1 defenseman. Simulate free agency here. Oh man. Hoping there's going to be decent free agent pool. And man, we flew through that last season in like 1 or 2 episodes because it's our we're in the off season just in episode 11 and it's already episode 13 and we're already in the pretty much in the next season almost. So it's going quick. Should probably slow it down a bit. We could get Tyler Johnson. That'd be an option. He's still kind of young. I'd be willing to pay him that money. Scott Harrington. Ooh, that looks. Well, I don't really like that census category, but he's got a great stick checking and defensive category and physical. He just got great everything. So we might get Scott Harrington. Yeah, let's give him an offer. Oh, jeez. You know what? We got money to burn. Well, you know what? Not really. Yeah, we'll just give him what he wants, plus a little more. Oh, geez, he's an RFA, isn't he? Yeah, he's an RFA. Rats. So wait, is our offer still on the table for him? No. Okay, so Johnson. Yeah, I like that. Let's try to get Tyler Johnson on board for 4 years at 6.45. Hopefully we get him. Ian Cole. He'd be a nice defensive defenseman there. And he's not too old either. $4.25. Jordan Nolan. Get him for a checking line. There you go. So we got Johnson, Cole, Nolan. Probably not going to get Marchand. He's a little too expensive. Don't want to really overpay like I did with Okposo. Hey, Berglund. He's not that old. He's about Okposo's age. Yeah, let's get Berglund. For 3 years. It's a good offer for him. So let's see who we get. So we got all 3 of those guys, and yeah, we got all 4 of the guys we wanted. So that's nice. Let's take a look at our roster now. without the jumps. So forwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll count on Rask to jump. And yeah, 6 defensemen. Very nice. And we still have like about 3 mil to work with. So very nice. So I think that'll be a video. We'll call it a video. And I'll simulate the rest of free agency when I'm not recording, so that we don't really have to. You guys don't have to see too much of that extraneous stuff. So I will see you guys in the next video.